Hey guys, welcome back to the Best Buddies YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a really cute moving windmill. For this you'll be needing 4 pieces of paper of different colors. I have these colors and you'll need these for the rotating part of the windmill. Each of these will be 7.5 centimeters in length and breadth, and yeah, let's get started. We have these. I'm gonna take one of the colors. This looks like a good one to show you guys. I will take it and fold it like this. Perspective. Exactly at the point. And once you folded it like that, you want to take your scissors and cut it right through the center. And you want to do these with all 4 papers. I will finish it and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I have cut all 4 of these pieces. So next you're gonna want to take a small cardboard piece and make a circle out of it. I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna be right back. So now I have cut out this circle. I couldn't find that much cardboard, so I stuck 4 pieces of chart, as you can see, together to get this cute little circle. It stuck to my finger. Okay, so now you're going to take your your piece of paper. Now push all of these aside and I will show you what to do. Now that we've got it like this, I'm just going to take a bit of glue on the green and squeeze this glue on the side, on the edge of the green, just a little bit, no need too much, just like that. And now I'm just gonna take it to the center about here and stick it like this, and the rest you guys just want to watch me do it. So yeah. So how I did this. Now I'm gonna start off again with the green. I'm gonna take my glue, and you see this part here, I'm just gonna stick a bit of glue over there. Glue stands straight. Spread that out, and then actually no, that's not enough. Add just a bit more glue. There we go. And then stick it here like this. Hey, stick. Stay. Okay, yeah, it's staying. It's not staying. Stay. I said stay. Okay, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. And then same thing on the blue side. Just a bit of glue. Oh, that's a lot of glue. Okay, too much glue. There we go. And then take this and stick it here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. And then the orange one too. Like this. See? There. Guys, so now that we've made this, I'm gonna take one more circle and stick it in the center, and I'm gonna be right back. So now that you've seen me stick those, I have a tiny circle already ready here, ready made. And I also have, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue to my circle. Just a little bit should do, just enough. There we go, just that much, and then I'll just spread it around like this. Like that, just spread it out, and then just glue it to the center of this, like that. So guys, now I have this piece of white paper. It doesn't have to be a specific size, any size is fine. So now I'm just gonna roll this white piece of paper to make the, the bottom part of the windmill. Now you can use a pencil with an eraser top as well, but I want to, make it out of this paper. So I'm going to roll this and I'm going to be right back. Now that I've rolled it, I'm going to glue it off here at the end. And then after gluing it, I am just going to take my scissors and I'm going to chop off these ends on both sides. Like that. Yeah. So there it is. Guys, now that we have the top part of our rotatable windmill, I'm just gonna take a needle, which is here, as you can see. You see this part where we put the thread? It's not focusing actually. Yeah, you guys know the part where we put the thread, right? So you just want to take the needle on the opposite side, the side where we push it just inside like that. Glue in. Okay, I'm going to poke this in and I'm going to be right back. Now that I've got this facing in, I have this little piece of paper that I made the same way we made the bottom part of the windmill, and I'm just keeping it like this for, like a decoration. And now I'm going to take my stick. So this is one part small, one part thick. I'm going to push the small part in. Like that. And there it is, the rotatable windmill. So I fixed this properly. I've dug it through and coming out like this. Make sure you don't poke yourself. So it's like that, and then woo, rotates all around like that. So this is a really easy homemade paper craft. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.